In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive quota exceeded error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. If you've ever tried to download a file from Google Drive and faced that frustrating quota exceeded message, you may have felt like you hit a brick wall. But don't worry, there's a neat little workaround that can help you get your files downloaded without running into that pesky error. The first step is to open your Google Drive and locate the file you're trying to download. Once you're there, right-click on the file. A drop-down menu will appear, and you should look for the option that says Organize. From that list, choose Add to Starred. Alternatively, you can click the three vertical dots next to the file for the same menu. Adding the file to your starred list is our first step toward resolving this issue. Now, after you've starred your file, it's time to create a new folder. Go back to the main screen of My Drive. Right-click anywhere on that page and you'll see an option for New Folder. Click on that and give your new folder a unique name. I suggest something simple yet identifiable, like Savvy. This helps keep things organized and easy to find later. With your Savvy folder created, it's now time to add a shortcut to the starred file. Look for the Starred section in the left-hand sidebar of your Google Drive. Click on it to see the file you just starred. Now right-click on that file again and select Organize. In the menu that pops up, choose Add Shortcut. You'll then see a new menu that asks you where you want to place this shortcut. Navigate to My Drive, and there you'll find the Savvy folder you just created. Select it and then click Add. This step essentially places a shortcut to your file right inside the folder, preparing it for download. Now let's move on to the final step, downloading the folder with your shortcut included. Head back to My Drive and locate the Savvy folder. Right-click on the entire folder, and you should find the option that says Download. When you select that, Google Drive will take care of the rest. It will zip up the contents of your Savvy folder, which includes the shortcut to the original file. When the zipping process is complete, you can download it to your device without facing the quota exceeded message. This neat trick allows you to bypass the limits Google has set for direct downloads while still getting your important files. So there you have it. You've successfully learned how to fix the Google Drive quota exceeded error using shortcuts and a little organizational strategy. I hope this video has helped you navigate through Google Drive a bit easier. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.